Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse. I bought a new camera and I ran into a problem. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. A little while ago I bought a Canon Vixia HF R4 or HR. You'll see the picture. It's a Vixia HF R800. Anyway, the reason why I purchased it was because it has a mic port on it, so you can have an external mic. And I really I like having a lapel mic because it gives me a better audio quality. Well, last night I decided to try it out for the first time, and my first video that I shot, this is what I got. And so I thought, well, I'm doing something wrong here, and I switched up my connections, and it looked like I was getting a signal to my mic, so I went ahead and recorded again, and this is what I got. About that time, it was going on 11 o'clock, and I decided I needed to go to bed. So I got up in the morning and I tried the microphone, the lavalier mic, in my computer, and when I did, I got perfect sound. So I went online and I typed in Canon Vixia HF R800, and then I said like mic port problems or something like that. Well, there's a Canon community, and that popped up like right away. So I read what it had to say, and it says that even though you have a lapel mic or some other sort of mic, it has to have an external power source to it. And so my solution is this Rhodes mic right now, tapped into the mic port on the Canon. And so I immediately went to Amazon and purchased a lapel mic for $26, I believe it was $25.99, and it has an external power source, so I should be good to go. But I just wanted people to know out there that if you decide that you want to purchase a Canon product such as this HF R800, I would just suggest that you check with the salesperson on the mic port, whether that needs external power or if you can just plug it right in and draw from the power that's already there. I just wanted to let everybody know that's a problem. I was able to fix it, but it was something that I wasn't expecting. If this video helped you in any way, please feel free to share it. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. As always, we look forward to your comments below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.